Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your butt enhancement oil. But before that, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everybody that is supporting me in one way or the other, everybody that has subscribed to me, everybody that is sharing my video and liking my video. I just want to say thank you to you all. For my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, please try to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to get notified on whenever I upload new videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your butt enhancement oil. This butt enhancement oil is a herbal based butt enhancement oil. It works, but it's not magic. So if you're going to be using this oil, you have to give it some time. You have to be patient with it. You don't expect to use it for 2 or 3 days and see results. It doesn't work like that, because all this oil does is to stimulate your fat cells. You know, when you apply it, it stimulates your fat cells to grow, and it takes time for your fat cells to grow. You don't just apply it today and expect to see results tomorrow. No, you have to apply it religiously, like 3 times a day, or as much, even more, as much as you can. You have to keep applying it. Then at least from 2 weeks you'll start seeing changes. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. I will introduce the ingredients that we'll be using to you, and then go ahead to make this amazing butt enhancement oil. So these are all the herbs and oils that we'll be needing to make our butt enlargement oil. The first one here is Akpi powder. Akpi powder is gotten from Akpi seed. When you use your blender to crush the seed, then you get the powder. It is one of the most important ingredients for making butt enhancement oil. And the quantity of this Akpi seed here is 10 grams. If you want to buy it, you can go to any organic ingredient sellers, or you can get it in a pepper soup spices shop, because here in Nigeria we use it to cook pepper soup. The second one here is Volufiline. Volufiline powder helps to stimulate fat wherever it is applied. The other one here is quai. Quai helps all the other ingredients to absorb properly into your butt. So if you've been making butt enhancement oil and it has not been working, maybe it's because the person did not add quai. So quai is very important. The other one here is Maca. A lot of people are very familiar with Maca, and it is very popular for body enhancement. But the truth is, Maca alone is not going to help you unless you take it for a very long time. It is also one of the important ingredients for making this butt enhancement oil. The next one here is Fenugreek powder. It is also a very popular body enhancement powder, and it is important for this recipe as well. And the measurement of this Fenugreek powder here is 5 grams. Then the other one is Fennel, almost like Fenugreek, and is also a popular body enhancement powder. The measurement for the Fennel is 5 grams. And the other one there is soy powder. Soy powder helps to add curves to the butt and to your thighs without adding weight anywhere else. And the last powder is white yam. White yam also helps to give you an hourglass figure, and that is why we need it in this recipe, because that is what most of us are aiming for. And the oils, the first oil there, the small oil there, is fish oil. the other one is vitamin E oil, the other one is Volufiline oil, and the last oil is sunflower oil. So a lot of people like to use olive oil to make their butt enhancement oil, but I do not like to use olive oil. I prefer to use sunflower oil because it is very rich in phytoestrogen, because phytoestrogen is what helps our butts to increase in size. Almost all the old herbs here contains phytoestrogen, and we are looking for effective ingredients that will work properly to increase the size of the butt. So that's why we need oils and herbs that contains phytoestrogen. So the fish oil is important for this recipe. Fish oil helps your butt to grow. The vitamin E there is to prevent against stretch mark. When your butt starts growing and stretching, the vitamin E will help to prevent it from having stretch mark. And the Volufiline oil, this is the powder and that is the oil. The Volufiline oil helps to grow fat cells wherever it is applied to. It is not just used for butt alone. You can use it to apply on your face. If you feel that you have a thin face, you can apply the Volufiline oil. Regular application of the Volufiline oil will help you to restore fatness to your face or wherever you feel that you need fat in your body. Then that's sunflower oil. The sunflower oil contains phytoestrogen. That is why we are using it for this recipe. It contains more phytoestrogen than olive oil. So most of these herbs here can be taken orally, except, in fact, all of the herbs here can be taken orally except Volufiline. But for this video, we are not making an oral powder. We are making a butt oil. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make a butt enhancement intake powder. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's start the process. So most of you will be wondering why I have this container and what is inside. Well, this container is empty, and this is where we are going to be mixing our powders and oils. So the first thing you do is to get all the powders and add them one after the other into the container, just like this. So all the powders have been measured in 5 grams each. So we are just going to be adding each and every single powder. So we are done with adding our powders. What we have to do next is to start adding our oils. So mix the powders properly together. Mix it very well. Then you add your oils. This is fish oil. Fish oil is very, very important. Do not skip it. The measurement of this fish oil is 20 grams. Then you add your vitamin E oil. The measurement here is 50 grams. It is usually very, very, very thick. Then you add your Volufiline oil. The measurement here is 50 grams. Then finally, you add your sunflower oil or olive oil, whichever one you're using. And then you start mixing. Mix properly. You mix. You keep mixing. So after mixing, this is what your oil is going to look like. Don't worry about it looking like this. It will settle down later, and the oil, you will see the oil at the top. So all you have to do is to cover this oil and keep it somewhere for 14 days before using, to allow the herbs and the oil to infuse properly. Or alternatively, you can place it under the sun for 3 days before using. It all depends on you, but they both work. So after 14 days, I'll be keeping mine for 14 days. After 14 days, I'm going to make a video to show you what my oil looks like. Okay guys, so our box enhancement oil is ready. So you have to be very patient while using this oil. It works, but it's not magic, but it surely works. I have used it on myself, I have used it on my clients, and it worked very well. It all depends on your body type. Some people can see results in 1 week, some people can see results in days, some people can see results in 2 weeks, some people can see results 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and so on. Just be patient with it. Apply it religiously, apply it regularly. Even when you're not seeing changes, keep applying it, because you just wake up one day and wow, your butt is big. Yeah, it happened to one of my clients. You know, she was applying and applying, she wasn't seeing changes until one day she just woke up and boom, her butt is big. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload more interesting videos. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time.